This is the new Tabon Dimax 540 Plus B dimmer module, which basically will dim two circuits in here, be the pendants and the wall lights, and we can use a retractive switch, and in this case a dolly switch, which if I just click once, the wall lights will come on, and then if I click and hold, they will slowly dim down to their lowest setting. I release, and then if I keep it held down again, they go back to full brightness. The same with the pendants. Come on, press and hold, and they dim really nicely. Beauty with these units is that you can also two-way dim them with another retractive switch. Works really well. Well done, Tabon.